Welcome back, YouTubers. We are Super Sexy Gamers. My name is Mr. M.
Mr. Jesus.
And we're going to be continuing opening some Pokemon cards here. We got four more packs for you guys today with some codes here. Please leave a like and subscribe at the end of this video. Give us your support. We'd really appreciate that. So here we go. Mr. Jesus is going to open a couple more videos here.
Yes, sir.
And
I mean, it's okay. It's okay. And we have here Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows again. So first pack. Let's do this, baby. And I have codes for you. Oh, yes. First code of the day. Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the energy. 1, 2. Put this in the back. So, can I see something? Merlil, Duskull, Oddish, Tinamo, Mudbray? Not Mudbray, Mudbray.
Mudbray.
Yeah. Pool Maria, Trainer card, Seadra.
Nice.
Rotom Dex. Oh, Caterpie,
yeah.
Reverse Holo.
Best card out there.
And we got a holographic Dusk Noir. That's pretty nice.
A Dusk Black.
Yeah. That's funny.
Thank you.
Alright, next pack.
I write my own comedy.
If I can open this one. Destroy everything.
I never won.
Ugh! Okay, I got it. Destroyed the card. Okay, so here we go. Next code. Press pause if you want to see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. 1, 2. Can we see? Okay. Crabrawler, Charmander, Sneasel, Grimer, Ralts, and again Trainer, Noctowl. I see something pretty nice at the end, I think so. Rhyhorn, Noibat. Is it Rhyhorn? No, it's Rhydon. My bad. Noibat. And Vileplume.
Oh, that's the one.
Yeah, my girlfriend was looking for it. That's very nice. Yeah.
Oh, good. She's going to be very happy.
Yeah. Alright, so second pack done.
12 more to go.
Yeah.
Two.
Okay, so code. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Stuffle, Noibat, Sock, Espure, Hansage, Kawi, Porygon 2, and our boy here, Metapod, Porygon again, Reverse Holo, and Kingdra.
Ah.
Woo! We don't have that one too. Pretty nice
Husband of Queendra.
Not funny at all, Mr. M, if you know what I mean. Last pack. Oh my god, we're pretty fast.
Well, you know what they say. If you're fast, you're last.
Okay, not funny. Second, fourth code for this video, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Alright, again, Espure, Duskull, Oddish, Mudbray, Sock, Forming Spray, Heat More, Weakness Policy, Azumarill, and oh my god, I'm so happy. Scolipede. Okay, that sucks. Alright, so thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. If you do, subscribe, like, enjoy, free to play. You know what I mean? It's free.
And we also have a bunch of more videos if you guys are interested with some Dragon Ball Z trading card games that was we've opened a couple weeks ago, which was very cool. Please take a peek at that, and please hit a like, subscribe, and much more videos to come.